Hello friends, this is Sumedh. I'm here to share my experiences of Sukma tour. I got this opportunity to go to Chhattisgarh Sukma in November 2017. It was my first experience to live away from home and especially out of the comforts which we have at our home. So indeed it was a challenge. I have a galore of memories to tell you, but I've selected a few because of the time constraints. We have come across the word technology, and technology as an enabler has become a buzzword today. Technology as an enabler, this buzzword we felt there in Sukma. First time when we went and met with the students, they didn't know where Pune was. So we told them even on the map, but still they were not able to understand. So we finally told them about the movies and the Bollywood star which they see on TV live in Mumbai, and Pune is a city which is located near Mumbai. After this, they were able to relate to some extent to where Pune actually was. The movies which they saw on TV, especially Bahubali, Ghazi Attack, helped us also to explain the concepts like projectile or submarine. Thus, technology is really an enabler, which we felt over there. One more experience I'll tell you, that the word poverty, whenever we think of the word poverty, certain images come to our mind, especially of malnourished children or a person who's sitting on a road and having no income in his hand at all. But the type of poverty which we actually saw there was lack of access, not lack of resources. The people had sufficient amount of income for their sustenance, but lack of access was an important factor which made them poor. Lack of access to public infrastructure due to the antisocial elements present over there. But one most important factor was lack of access because of a prejudiced mindset of the people living outside the area, like we all possess, because of which they are stigmatized and certainly are always seen with a prejudiced attitude. The third experience which I want to share, which really made me move, and there are some experiences which you never forget for your life. This is one of them. We always think that whenever we plan a trip, it will 100% get successfully executed. But this seldom happens, but most of the times there are some glitches. But in our case, the plan flipped on its head. The plan exactly flipped on its head. We planned to go to Sukma, teach the students, go on a small tour, and then go back to Pune via Hyderabad. But due to certain activities by the antisocial elements, a day before when we had to start our returning journey, we had to completely abandon the route. We had two options, either to go by Odisha to Hyderabad, which was indeed a costly, or to go to Raipur, and via Raipur, via Vidarbha, you can go to Pune. So what I learned from this event was some things which are not planned, or they directly hit you on your head while you're on the route. They are unforeseen. So these are the test of times which really help you to employ your skills, be patient, and think rather than panicking or rather than making even others more stressful than you are. So out of a galore of memories, I told you already, I have shared just a few of them with you. Also, I would like to thank the ERC department of Jnana Prabodhini for making this available. And also, I wish you a good day. Thank you.